Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you forgot to use a referral code when you signed up for Uber to get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000, then here's how to apply my referral code so you can still get some extra money. Here's the steps. So 1, open the Uber app. Next, click your photo or the 3 lines at the top corner. Click earnings. Click help or question mark. Click account and payment. Then referrals. And this step is really important. Click invited driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. And then click send a message. And for the invite code, use G4QA5UE. Friend's name, yours truly, Gregory Wave. GREGORYWAVE, like wave. The phone number is 815-847-0184. And the email is gregwave@yahoo.com. And for the details, you can just say something like, my good friend Gregory referred me to drive for Uber. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I'm your host, Greg Wave. If you like this video that I get you today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. So what I'm going to be talking about with you guys today is something I've touched on a lot, but should you quit your job for Uber or Lyft? And I like this topic a lot because I have done this, I have walked this path, and I'm going to keep this as a relatively short video because this, I think, is a very simple answer. But I want to touch on it more because I talk to people all the time that want to consider this and they want to try Uber and Lyft and they want to just risk it all. So I did risk it all. Most of you guys know my story by now. I just literally spontaneously quit my job and started doing this. Now I do it very minimally, very part-time. So the answer is no, you shouldn't. You shouldn't if you just think you're just going to be almost like a taxi cab driver, but just for Uber and Lyft. There's just no future in this for you, okay? I will just spoil that for you. There's no future, there's no long-term, there's no retirement, there's no 401k, there's no benefits, there's no reason for you to do it full-time with nothing else in mind. The only times you should ever do this full-time is 1, if you are in transition of jobs, and you just need some full-time income in the meantime. 2, if you're like how I was, you decide to pursue something really artsy or really, you're trying to start your own business or something like that, great full-time option. I would say 3, maybe if you have the type of job where you get 1 or 2 weeks off a month for some reason. I do know some people that have work like that. Then, you might get bored and you just do some full-time driving and, essentially make even more income. Those are all great reasons to do it. But here's the main thing in common with all of those is that Uber and Lyft isn't their primary thing. And that's pretty much what I'm saying in this video is that don't make Uber and Lyft your primary source of income if you can. If it's just a temporary thing, whatever. But if it's your primary source of income, it's just going to lead to a lot of problems in your life. Use this as a transitional thing, or use it as I'm pursuing something super out there, or I'm starting a new career, or I lost my job, or maybe your car's in the shop for 2 weeks and you do the rental program so you do full-time to hit the bonuses. Those are great reasons. Any other reason is not. I promise you it's not. I've lived it. Just trust me on this. But alrighty, guys, keep killing it out there. I'm gonna get some more videos for you guys soon. Give me a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe because there's some great content coming your way. Crush it out there, guys.